All right, hello everybody. So this video is introducing what to do for the rebound height experiment. And it's very important that you have already done the pre-work before you're watching this video. And that is that you have read the introduction, you've identified what the variables are, and you've formed your hypothesis. So if you haven't done that already, you should pause this video, do that now, and then come back to this video. So to make sure now, you've done the pre-work. I want to make sure that you have identified those variables accurately. Our independent variable, what we are changing, is the height that we are releasing the ball. So the only materials you're going to need for this is a meter stick. This one's kind of cool, has the blue on it, but yours doesn't. The meter stick, and you have your ball, and you are going to be releasing it from different heights. Okay. You're measuring that in meters now. Everything, this whole meter stick is 1 meter. So you're going to have, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and that corresponds to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Okay. Let me make sure that those are, okay, you start at 0.2. So 20 centimeters would be your very first one. The dependent variable is what you're measuring, and what you're measuring is how high the ball will bounce from whatever height that you released it from. So the dependent variable is the height of the bounce. Some things that you should keep the same. You can have a conversation with your group about this, but the most important thing is that you're bouncing it on the same surface. So make sure that you have that included on your notes. It can make a huge difference whether you're bouncing it on the table or the floor, anything like that. Okay, great. So getting started, for your data collection, make sure you have these things. This is all you need. And have a conversation with your group about how you're going to be keeping some things the same and where you want to measure and record from. So everybody is on the same page with that. If you have different ways of looking at the ball, whether you're, for instance, measuring the top versus the bottom, you will get different results and your observations will be off. So the idea is that you'll have one person who's dropping it and 3 observers, and then you'll average out those results. You can go ahead and show on this page. So this is the information that you are going to be graphing, and I went ahead and highlighted the link that you need to graph it at. So please make sure you are going to this link. I recommend you get a highlighter and you highlight your notes right now, or you circle that. And then when you are recording, you might have recorded in centimeters. You want to make sure that you are recording that in meters. So all of your answers should be 0 point something. Okay. That'll make the hand graphing much easier. And you'll go to Desmos and you'll be able to record the pattern, what you got for the C value, and then how the equation that you found. Okay. After that, you have the analysis. You are welcome and encouraged to work together for this. And then you have your conclusion. So everything that you are doing on this lab, you're welcome to work together. And but there will be a mastery check at the end of this lab on the pattern that we found, and that's going to be my real test to see that you understood it. So if you're able to complete the the analysis questions accurately, and you feel comfortable with writing that conclusion, you should do very well on the mastery check.